to replace the sky using elements, not Photoshop, with a more interesting sky. So first of all, I've got elements open. Go and get my files. So file open. They're all together in a folder. So I've got the beach there and sky. Hold the shift key down, select both of them. Click on open. Both images are open now. There's one, there's the other. So this is the sky I'm going to get rid of. Now the first thing I usually do is make a copy of this layer. So I do that by holding the mouse button on the picture, dragging it up to that little square there, which is the layer icon, and that's made me a copy. Once I've done that, click on select. You want this one, which is quick selection. Make sure there's three options here: new, add, and subtract. You want the new selection. This is the area I'm going to get rid of. So I start at this end and just click on there, and I've just clicked once, and as you can see, it's selected the whole area straight away. It's pretty good. You can refine that if you want to make it tighter, if you've got more time. Click on the refine button. Everything that's red is not selected, and you can move the feather and the smoothness and the contrast till you get it right, but you'd have to practice with those buttons, and we're not going to go into that right now. But as you can see, the selection's pretty good. Now once that's selected, that's the area I want to get rid of and replace. I'll just press delete, and it looks like nothing's happened, and the reason is that you've got the two images, two layers, and this one hasn't deleted it. If I click on the little eyeball there, now you can see that it has deleted. This is, remember, the original. We don't want to do anything with that just yet. Right. So once we've done that, make sure that we're still on this image there. We'll go to the sky image. Click on select all. So the marching ants are all around there. Click edit, copy. Go to your first image, the beach. Click on edit. Paste. That copies that image over the beach we're going to do. As you can see, it's just made a new layer though. It's not hurting any of the other images. Click on the hand tool. That gives you a selection of transform squares. Hold the shift button down. Drag that along so it fills the image from one end to the other. Okay. And once you've done that, you click on the green tick. That's important because that means the selection will stay where it is. Then you need to move that layer down so you can see the background. So you hold the mouse button on that layer one, drag it down in between the two other layers, let go, and immediately the sky is behind behind this image here. So as you can see, I have already replaced that sky. If I turn this one back on and that one, that's how it used to look. That's how it looks now. So it's a more interesting sky. I cheated a little bit with the image because I took both photographs at the same morning in the same beach. So they match pretty well. That's why I got away with it. If you try different skies at different times from different places, then they're not so easy to fool everybody. So that's the reason it looks so good on this one. Well, I think it looks good anyway. Once you've done that and you're happy with the image and where it is, what you can do now is you can go to layer and you merge down, merge visible or flatten image. Pretty much you're going to do the same thing. I think if you're merging down, you have to have the top one selected. So we're going to merge, we'll flatten the image, and immediately all the layers have now gone to one layer. So that's the image completed, and all I really would do now is I'd maybe do a bit of cropping, get the rule of thirds going. Look, there's the rule of thirds. The rock's quite important. I've got rid of quite a bit of this water at the bottom. Whether I'll keep that, I'm not sure. I think I'd just move that across. I'm not really happy with that there now. Just move that across a bit more. Actually, that's making it more interesting. The rule of thirds is following there, and also yeah, it seems a lot better. So click on the green arrow, image finished, and that didn't take too long. I hope that was helpful, and try it yourself. Thank you very much.